Hi everyone, welcome back to the web development series by JDCodebase. In today's video, we are starting with the HTML, which is the very first step to becoming a web developer. So let's begin. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it is basically the standard language used to create the web pages, and whenever you open any website on the internet like YouTube, Google, Amazon, everything you see in the structure using the HTML. And HTML uses something called the tags, which tell the browser how to display the content. Now, why should you learn HTML? Because it is the foundation of the web development. And if you want to build the website, whether it is a portfolio, business website, or any blog, or even a UI design, HTML is the first step. Later we will use the CSS to style the website and JavaScript to add functionality, but everything begins with the HTML. Now, a basic HTML page is written using the tags inside the angle bracket like this, and this is the uh, simplest structure of the web page. This doctype HTML head and body. Now let at the very top we have the doctype HTML, this tag, and this tells the browser that the page is written in the HTML5, which is the latest version. It helps the browser display the page correctly. Now next is the HTML tag. This is the root element. Everything inside the web page will go between the opening HTML and closing HTML. Inside the HTML tag we have the head tag, and this part contains the information about the web page, not the visible content, but here we put things like page title, metadata, and links to the CSS or JavaScript files. And now the body tag, everything you see on the screen like heading, paragraphs, images, buttons, all goes inside the body tag. And if you see the example, body heading 1, paragraph head, this body clause. Now let's create our first web page using the everything we learned so far. So let's open the VS Code and write the code. So first doctype, yes, doctype HTML, and HTML, this is the opening tag and the closing tag also. Now write the head. It contains the metadata, the like title. So title, our title is the first page, and next one is the body tag, body, and it contains the head, a heading h1, hello everyone, and a paragraph tag, welcome to HTML tutorial. If you see this in the browser, if I refresh this, see this is the title, the first page, and the hello everyone is the heading tag, and the welcome to HTML tutorial is the paragraph tag. So in HTML we can also write comments. Comments are not visible in the browser, they are only for understanding the code. So we write them like this, this angular bracket and this slash and this. If I write here a p tag, a paragraph tag, and it says 20, and I want to comment this, just write opening this, and if you see this VS Code all give, so it does not show this query, this, if I refresh this, it does not show here. Now importance of indentation, like indentation is very important. It keeps the code clean and easy to read. Whenever tags are inside another tag, always indent properly. Like here the VS Code done it by manually. If you use the notepad or something, then you have to do it manually, but every time you use the VS Code for coding. So let's quickly summarize what we learned today. HTML is used to build the structure of a website. Every HTML file starts with the doc type, then HTML head and body. And body contains the visual content. Use command to explain code and always keep proper indentation. So that was the introduction to HTML. In the next video, we will learn a text and formatting element in the HTML. The PPT and code file links are available in the video description, so make sure to download them and practice. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase and share with your friends. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next class.